One story, 3 levels of English at the park.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our English story series. Today's story is called At the Park. You will hear this story in 3 levels of English: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and learn new words. At the end, I'll ask you which level was easy for you. Okay, let's go to the park together.
Beginner level story at the park. Beginner level.
Tom goes to the park. He sits on the grass. He sees a dog. He plays with the dog. Tom eats ice cream. Tom is happy.
Let's learn some beginner vocabulary. Park, grass, dog, ice cream. 1. Park, meaning a green place with trees and grass where people can relax or play. Example, we had a picnic in the park. 2. Grass, meaning the short green plants that cover the ground. Example, the grass is wet after the rain. 3. Dog, meaning a common animal kept as a pet or used for work. Example, my dog loves to play fetch. 4. Ice cream, meaning a sweet, frozen food made from milk, cream, and sugar. Example, she bought an ice cream at the park. Intermediate level story, at the park. Intermediate level.
Tom went to the park on a sunny afternoon. He sat on the grass and enjoyed the fresh air. A friendly dog ran up to him. Tom played with the dog for a while. Then he bought an ice cream from a small shop. He felt relaxed and happy in the park.
Let's learn some intermediate vocabulary. Sunny, fresh air, friendly, relaxed. 1. Sunny, meaning when the sun is shining and there are few or no clouds. Example, it's a sunny day, let's go outside. 2. Fresh air, meaning clean air from outside, not polluted or inside air. Example, let's open the window for some fresh air. 3. Friendly, meaning kind and pleasant, easy to talk to. Example, the dog is very friendly with children. 4. Relaxed, meaning calm and not worried, tense, or stressed. Example, I feel relaxed when I sit in the park. Advanced level story, at the park. Advanced level.
On a bright sunny afternoon, Tom decided to spend time at the park. He found a quiet spot on the grass and breathed in the fresh air. As he sat there, a playful dog approached him, wagging its tail. Tom spent a few minutes petting and playing with the dog. Afterward, he bought a delicious ice cream from a vendor nearby. The peaceful atmosphere of the park made him feel truly content.
Let's learn some advanced vocabulary. Approached, wagging its tail, vendor, atmosphere, content. 1. Approached, meaning came closer in distance or time. Example, the dog approached the boy slowly. 2. Wagging its tail, meaning moving its tail quickly from side to side, usually showing happiness, dogs. Example, the dog was wagging its tail when it saw its owner. 3. Vendor, meaning a person who sells food, drinks, or goods, often in the street or market. Example, the ice cream vendor was standing near the park gate. 4. Atmosphere, meaning the feeling, mood, or environment of a place. Example, the park had a peaceful atmosphere. 5. Content, meaning calm and happy with what you have, satisfied. Example, she felt content sitting under the trees.
And that was our story, At the Park. You heard it in 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Which level was easy for you? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Write your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English stories. See you in the next episode.